There's a new development tonight in the legal saga of former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn. The headline here, it's not over yet. Correspondent Doug McKelway joins us live with details on this. Good evening, Doug.
Good evening, Brett. Lieutenant General Michael Flynn's legal fate remains in limbo while his legal bills continue to mount. Today, the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals announced the full court will hear the case of the Department of Justice's decision to drop charges against President Trump's former national security advisor. A three-judge panel of the D.C. Circuit had earlier upheld the DOJ's decision to dismiss Flynn's case. The original trial judge, Emmett Sullivan, appeared vehemently opposed to Attorney General Barr's decision to drop the charges. His argument was that in dismissing them, Barr interfered in what was the court's territory, that if Flynn didn't like the court's decision, he could simply file an appeal. Taking on a polar opposite view, Attorney General Barr believed that Judge Emmett Sullivan was intruding into the Department of Justice's territory. Here he is.
The argument is that it's always been understood that decisions whether to pursue an individual through the prosecution process or holding them criminally accountable is vested in the executive branch and not the courts. And he is essentially, in our view, trying to set himself up as an alternative prosecutor.
So now a panel of 10 of the 11 judges who make up the D.C. Circuit Court, I should say, will hear arguments on August 11th. One of those 11, Gregory Katsas, a Trump appointee, has recused himself. So that leaves 7 judges appointed by Democratic presidents, 3 appointed by Republicans to decide Flynn's fate. And if there were to be a 5-5 decision, a split, a tie, then this order would be remanded back to the 3-judge panel that decided to clear Flynn of the charges. Again, the court has set up arguments for August 11th at 9:30 a.m. sharp. Brett, back to you.
We'll follow it, Doug. Thank you.